The Dreamweaver application is composed of several elements, including panels and tools, that help you to get work done in the application. The Dreamweaver environment is referred to as the workspace. Let's take a look at the Dreamweaver workspace to get familiar with the working environment in which you'll be creating web pages. Now, I'm beginning this video with Dreamweaver already open on my computer, and I have the welcome screen up here. And just to demonstrate, I'm going to go ahead and click the HTML button under Create New. And that's just going to give me a quick web page that I can begin working with. Now, the areas of the workspace that we want to get familiar with are way up here at the top, we have what's called the application bar. Now, the application bar provides a couple of unique areas in which we can tell which different view we want to be viewing, as well as which options we want to choose as far as the extension manager, the widget browser, and even browse for other external Dreamweaver extensions that we may want to download and add to Dreamweaver. In addition, we can click on this button to manage our sites. Now, way over here, we have a button that's called the Workspace Switcher. This allows me to switch between a number of predefined workspaces that come shipped with Dreamweaver. Now, down here in this main area, this is what's referred to as our document window, and this is where most of the work is done. The document window allows you to add text to your document, insert images, and format the way a web page is supposed to look. In addition, you have some different panel groups over here on the right side of your screen. You can see that in this section here, we have the Files and the Assets panel. They are grouped together so that they work together as a unit. However, the panels can be reconfigured into different groups as well. This is just how this particular workspace is organizing these panels. When you're working on a web page, down here in the lower left corner, we have what's called the tag selector. And the tag selector is one of my favorite features inside of Dreamweaver. Because even though when I work inside of the design view, where I'm seeing how a web page is going to look, I can quickly access the main components of my code using this tag selector. In addition, this bar down here at the bottom is what's referred to as the status bar. You can see that down here we can get an idea of how big the file is, what the encoding of the file is, and what the current size of the window is as well. In addition, we can access different common sizes that we may want to view our web page in, such as a mobile device, a tablet device, and then a desktop screen. We can also change the size of our web page. You can see right here this says 100%. Because I really don't have anything on my web page, it's grayed out. Now finally, way down here at the bottom, we have what's called the Property Inspector. And when you're working with content inside of Dreamweaver, the Property Inspector is going to be one of the most common areas where you're going to go to create links, to assign IDs and classes to objects, as well as to apply some basic formatting as well. It won't happen overnight, but after you work in Dreamweaver for a little while, you'll become more familiar with the different areas of the application, and before you know it, working in Dreamweaver CS6 will become second nature to you.